Good morning. Another early start. Thought I'd come up here and share this incredible view with you. Day 4, more beautiful weather, and we've just ridden our horses here. We're actually heading up to that hill up there, so we should be on the horses for about 3 hours. That's a lot of fun.
The horses are pretty good. They do this run every single day, we've been told, so it's pretty much the horses are taking us for a ride rather than us taking them, but it's great. It was just literally jump on and go, no instructions, so they're pretty calm. It's very peaceful out here. The only problem is getting off the road when cars come. That can be interesting. But we've been told that as long as we stay calm, then everything will be fine.
So if you look up on the hill, you can actually see snow. So it does get cold here. For about 2.5 hours, and we've made it to this old volcano. So I've never seen a volcano like this before. It's pretty cool. And the lake that we're at is actually a result of this volcano erupting and blocking off the river at the north and the south end. So this guy gave us the lake. Been a great day. Really enjoyed today. Had a lot of fun. Okay, so this is our last night here at White Lake. It's not actually Pearl Lake, it's White Lake. I got that wrong. So this morning we went on our horse ride. And first time that we'd both ridden a horse before. The horses were actually
really quite calm.
They were. Apparently not all Mongolian horses are like this, but these ones are used to taking strangers for rides.
Tourist-friendly horses.
Yeah, they knew exactly where to go. So.
Yeah, I was amazed that the horses just knew the direction. Even as we were going over some of the more rocky areas, they just knew what path to take. Yeah.
And I love how here, you know, we came out of our accommodation, the horses were out the front of our door, and we just got on them and off we went. So like no training, no helmets,
Yes.
nothing. They knew we've never ridden a horse before, and that's just how they do things here.
It was great.
And the guy that took us, he was in control. He was watching the situation the whole time, and if a horse kind of started doing its own thing, he was straight away correcting it. So we felt so safe the whole time, and the horses were perfectly calm. They knew that we didn't know what we were doing. Yeah, and so we went for about a 5-hour horse ride that should have been 3.
So we got an extra couple of hours
Yeah,
out and about to see the place.
It was really good. And the scenery is just so beautiful here. It's just grass with all these little flowers and butterflies and pine trees, mountains with some snow on them still. After our epic horse ride finished, we came back to the campsite and we went for a swim in the lake, and it was refreshing to say the least.
It was brisk.
Yeah, but it felt good because it's day 4 of the tour and we haven't had a shower yet. So that was our shower.
And tomorrow we're heading off to some hot springs, so looking forward to that. Should be a nice way to relax, unwind.
For sure. So if you want to see more of Mongolia, join us tomorrow for day 5 of our tour.
Good, see you then.